Ladies and gentlemen, a couple of days ago, the nation's fourth largest bank, Wells Fargo, stopped taking applications for the Small Business Administration's Paycheck Protection Program loan. Wells Fargo stated that it had exhausted its $10 billion asset cap that regulators imposed on it for opening accounts in its clients' names without requesting permission. So now the Federal Reserve has lifted that asset cap to allow them to participate in this program. They sent me an email today that reads, update on your interest in the Paycheck Protection Program loan. And they're talking about that announcement, and it does not mess with my place in the line, or in the queue, rather. You remain in the queue based upon you submitted your initial interest, and we continue to work through that order in queue. Now, in order to apply, you just can't simply apply by visiting the page. You can apply by logging into your Wells Fargo account and clicking this button that reads, get started. Once you do that, you get all the information on the loan, the general requirements everybody knows about, name, enter your business name, click submit, and you get the confirmation page. Thank you for taking the first step. We'll email you with an update within a few days. If you want more information, visit sba.gov. In addition, the Federal Reserve also announced that it was lifting that asset cap, that limitation, so Wells Fargo would be able to participate in the upcoming Main Street Lending Program. Wells Fargo CEO Charlie Scharf said the order does not and should not in any way relieve us of our obligations under the consent order. While the asset cap does not specifically restrict Wells Fargo's participation in this program, this action by the Federal Reserve will enable Wells Fargo to provide additional relief for our customers and communities. So ladies and gentlemen, feel free to let Wells Fargo know that you are still interested in participating in the Small Business Administration's Paycheck Protection Program loan through their process. Click the button which reads Get Started. Also, keep in mind that there are other financial institutions through which you can file an application, such as Cabbage, Lendio. There's a new app called Divvy that streamlines the process. It claims that it can get you funds in hours or in days as opposed to weeks. Wells Fargo themselves, in the email, wrote, you may be able to apply elsewhere. You remain in our queue. However, since there is a limited amount of funds approved by the SBA for the Paycheck Protection Program, we want you to be aware of your options. You may want to apply elsewhere to increase your chances of receiving a loan before the funds run out. Visit the SBA website to find a full list of participating lenders you can contact. So even Wells Fargo is referring you elsewhere. So keep your options open. Feel free to leave me any questions in the comments section. Talk soon.